Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how to delete recently played on Spotify. Firstly, you need to open your Spotify app. Now once you're in the app, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see the recently played list. It shows the songs that you recently played. Now let's suppose that you want to hide your recently played songs. Just tap on the settings option on the top right of the screen. Now tap on the option of social. Now you can see a couple of options here. The first one being private session. You have to turn on private session. That will keep your listening habits private. You can also see the third setting here, which is recently played artists. Now you want to go ahead and turn off this setting. What this setting does is it hides your listening habits from your profile.